This is a digital vernier caliper, which is a precision instrument. Here we have this manual is there, provided manual, how to change the cell, how to use it, full manual is there, how to measure it. Most of the people know it's a very simple instrument. This comes with this special instrument comes with the special NABL accredited lab certification. It has a serial number. Here it is serial number is provided on the, this one is model number, and we have given this serial number is also there, and this certificate number is also there, this one certificate number. This is NABL, Government of India accredited lab, as certificate for the accuracy. It is capacity is 100 up to 150 mm with the accuracy of 0.01 mm. These are the readings. These are 00, 20, 50, 100 and 150. At 150.01 only error is there. Very easy. Now I show you how this working is there. This one is on mm and inch. You can press it. You can press on. You can convert it to inches. 0.001 mm is the accuracy. You can convert it to mm, and you can, when you use it, press it and make it 0 before using it, and then you can increase it, decrease it. It tells you the readings. Very easy. This is for outside checking 13.17. If something is outside, if you want to check the diameter inside of any section, this comes with this like this, 4.35 mm. It is for inside. This is for outside caliper, measuring from outside. Very easy. This comes. This is a stainless steel. Backing 0 is there, still visible. Same. I can make it any number of times. If there is a minor, you can press it 0. If there is a dust or anything, it will show you some reading. And very easy. There are 2 pieces. We are sending these to another lab with a serial number. This one is a serial number, and this particular serial number is there. Every certificate comes with a serial number, and this one matching. It has a validity of 1 year, and on off button. Inside is the cell. Very easy to use. Full manual is there, and we have a calibration. This lab, which is certificates are there, calibrated from the Government of India special lab. And please subscribe to our channel and write us abron01@gmail.com, or write us on WhatsApp. You can give us any information. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.